The Park MGM is a very different hotel on the Las Vegas Strip. Let me show you what makes it so unique. Okay, we just got to Park MGM. First impressions, it's very outdoor themed. It's kind of like this whole park theme. So every picture you see is a park. Everything is obviously one color. It is pretty unique. I actually like it a lot. Now let's take a look around the room and see what you get in the cheapest room at Park MGM. I can't not talk about this after some of the hotels I've been at lately. 4 pillows that are full size. Great job, Park MGM. Okay, this bathroom is pretty nice. As you can see, the shower is really big. You've got this very convenient shelf right here. It's not the biggest bathroom, but it's nice, it's well appointed. It'll do everything you need in a bathroom. Now that I'm done showing you the room, we're gonna go check out the pool, the hotel, the casino, and probably grab a couple drinks and whatever else we get up to. We are here for 2 days, so there's a lot coming up. Dance like an idiot. I'm at the Park MGM pool. It is winter, so I'm not in there. It actually shut down a lot earlier than I thought at 4 o'clock. There's 3 pools here. I don't know if they're all open at this time of year. There's one nice bar. There's flowers and foliage everywhere. It is too cool to be in the pool, but it is really nice. Prosciutto cotto. It was 15 bucks. I think that's fine for Vegas. It's okay, it's bland. There's literally nothing in the sandwich other than prosciutto and cheese. Eataly is pretty much all Italian. Expensive food here, there's affordable food. A lot of bars. This is where everyone gets Aperol Spritz. Come check out Eataly. There's desserts, there's booze, there's food, $40 pasta that Scott got. I just wanted to follow up, as you're near the end of your pasta here.
Yep.
Was it the best pasta you've ever had in your entire life?
It's not the best pasta I've ever had in my entire life. It's very good pasta, but I have had better, probably for a little less money. I do have a nice old hunk of cheese right here.
Matt, how's the Aperol Spritz?
Good. Go on. Oh, it's really good.
It's really good. I've actually had an Aperol Spritz at every place in here. They're all really good. They're all the same price. But this one at Evertree, fantastic. Nowhere to sit, you can just kind of chill and lounge. Matt wants more. Yum yum. Cheers.
Live at the Park MGM. We're at the House of Gaga Museum in Las Vegas in the Park MGM.
What is the House of Gaga?
The House of Gaga is just a collection of a lot of the iconic outfits that she's worn throughout the years. So this is an outfit that she wore when she was playing Ally in A Star is Born.
This is her meat suit?
This is her most iconic outfit. This is kind of what everyone knows her to be when they think of fashion. This is the meat suit turned into beef jerky and preserved. It's pretty cool.
We're at the Juniper Lounge in the Park MGM. I used my rewards here. Buy one cocktail, get the second one free. Scott and Matt got some interesting cocktails. That's so cool. Scott, what do you got there?
I've got the Carnival, which is fresh lime Tanqueray 10 gin, Saint Germain, which is of course an elderflower liqueur, poured over blue cotton candy. And let's check her out. That's actually super nice and is exactly what I wanted it to be.
Ooh, look how purple.
We're at the casino in the Park MGM. It kind of sprawls all over the property. There's even these little pockets where there's other slot machines. It's one of the cleanest casinos. You can't smoke in it. It smells really, really good. It is really a well laid out casino.
All right, time to give the Linda Hamilton slots a try. Is this Linda Hamilton?
You know what? Let me confirm you, Linda Hamilton.
Okay, either way, I'm on her side. She looks like she means business. Let's do it, Linda. Boom.
Now, see that? I always
Ooh,
get it wrong.
hold on.
Linda Hamilton was in Terminator.
I feel like I'm undercover.
Oh! What did you win? Oh.
Wow, 3 Mark Hamilton. That's not Mark Hamilton. I don't know who that is.
Linda Carter.
It's Linda Carter. Okay.
Hey, there's some A's.
Curse you, Linda Hamilton. It's not Linda Hamilton.
Carter.
Curse you, Linda Carter. You're still great, though.
Park MGM is actually right beside T-Mobile Arena, and right now I'm in a bit of a rush, but I'm heading to the Vegas Golden Knights game. We haven't got tickets yet, but we're just going to grab them there. Okay, I'll show you the game in a second. We just got back from the hockey game. The Knights, well, they lost. Number 1 team in Pacific lost. Boo. But the game was so much fun, the energy. Go check out a Knights game, even if you're not a big hockey fan. If you're staying at Park MGM, why not? We decided to wrap up our night at the Golden Tiki. The drinks are great. We've been here before. We're wrapping up the night here. See you tomorrow.
There's no sun up in the sky. Don't know why.
We woke up a little bit late and decided to go to Primrose. I used my reward here, so you get buy the main, get a free appy with it. This is avocado toast with a soft-boiled egg.
There's no sun up in the sky. Don't know why.
Look at that. This is so hard to cut. I should be on the Food Network. Okay.
There's no sun up in the sky. Don't know why.
Well, got myself a turkey Gouda croissant sandwich. So let's check her out. Very nice. You know, I'm gonna go as far as to say, Las Vegas kid approved.
Attached to the hotel, but a little bit outside it, is the Crack Shack. It's a breakfast kind of lunch place. They have chicken on everything, but you can get regular breakfast food. It's all like sandwiches and stuff like that. And they got booze and a million different sauces you can dip in. Apparently I was told there's not a million sauces, but there's a generous amount of sauces. Seven to
There's
be.
seven.
Seven.
Let's just
There's 7
Cards on the
sauces.
table.
I'm sorry. Sorry. So I got the Bay, which is just a breakfast sandwich. No chicken today. Okay, so this is a pineapple mustard sauce, and this one, a Thousand Island sriracha.
Oh, that's good.
So Scott, what'd you think? So what'd you think of the Park MGM?
Well, I don't like that tone for one thing, but what I did like was the Park MGM. Yeah, that's right. I could segue seamlessly into talking earnestly about the hotel, but here we are talking about the Park MGM. Your thoughts?
I think it's one of the best hotels on the Strip. It's because it's boutique. It's not too expensive. Lots of great dining options. It's clean. Its pool is amazing. I highly recommend this hotel. It's one of my favorites. In my top 3 right now. Would you recommend this hotel?
I would recommend this hotel. It's really nice, really clean, non-smoking. They've really cut down on the public nudity. Thumbs up from the Las Vegas Kid.
We filmed a bunch when we were on this trip, so the next video that comes up at the end here, click on it. There's a lot we did in the Park MGM and in Vegas. Scott did some fun stuff.
Yep, but you'll never know about it.